Alright, blessed morning, my viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to the channel. Seeing? So, you don't know Big Voice Radio in the building, and me I go ride and whistle right now. But this video is about, me I go show you how Jamaicans, majority of Jamaicans, do not like progress and upliftment. You know what them like? Hype and excitement. Most Jamaican. So me I go ride and whistle and me I go explain to you what go on. Alright, my viewers and subs, when you see the video them Labour Right and PNP seen, and it just show not only me but you, the regular members of John Public and Jamaicans overall, yard, in the diaspora, everywhere. It just show you say majority, not most, but majority of Jamaicans, especially the less fortunate, the people them who can afford certain things, they are the ones that are indulged in hype and excitements the most. Remember me tell you, the Jamaicans them who can't really afford health care, them can't afford mortgage, them can't afford to send them kids go to school, them can't afford just the basic things for survival, and at them indulge in a politics and political affair more than anybody else. The rich man them, you know, see them walk up and down behind politicians like that, unless them gain some benefits. But the poor man, that him want to see. The man we can't, when him go run up and down and go campaign and walk yes so and walk this out behind Mark Golding and Andrew HOLNESS and the whole of them people there. That same man, when tomorrow come, and when the political whatever is over, and them same man take up them phone and I call them family members overseas. I beg them money to buy food, to go a doctor, to pay them pitney school bill. And if them family member they do not send them the money, them same one a cuss off. Them family members say them bad mind and they mean and they not good. And at the same politician who run behind her, why not make them go no one and stop other people overseas? And when time people like me and other people talk about these things, we don't want to kill them.
You know, I yap up on a blood clot mouth every time when I see me post something on my page. What do you feel? When you feel so the whole of we that got dead out, you feel so they got kill out the whole of Jamaican them, the original people, them Panda Rock, yeah? We are native, we are sovereign, we are original, indigenous Jamaican. We are not sell out black maroon and sell out settlers and sell out people who sell out the country. I just true because you no kill me what me cannot chat up on the black mouth because I think you have it ground now, not true. But even from the grave where ancestors them a come for no black clot for what to do it. You think say it a go so, you nah go so, Mr. Andrew Holness. You nah get away with what you do to Jamaican original people, sir. You nah get away with it. None of you shall escape the judgment where I come for no. You think say God asleep, God not asleep. You no move up.
Remember me tell you, good people talk about them thing all the while. And for try open your eyes, but you think say it's a bad thing. I don't want to kill them for talk the truth. Just because them call Andrew Holness name, or just because them call Mark Golden name. You stupid and illiterate, yo. Using the brain to think, yo. When you run behind politician every day, you think say them man like you? Hold on. You think say Andrew Holness and Mark Golden really want to see you on a personal level? He don't want to see you. He want to see you vote. That's the only thing. And the regular Jamaican them feel to see these things because them money only come around when a election time. When they want to vote. Because without to vote, they not no power. So them know that and them capitalize on it, them double down and say, okay, them only want hype and excitement. Them not care about no real results. Them not care, Jamaicans don't really care about no progression and no upliftment, and them not care about that. Them not care about healthcare. Them not care about the grocery where them can't afford inflation. Them not care about healthcare. Them not care about the facilities and the resources in a Jamaica when your pitney sick and my pitney sick, or my mother sick or your mother sick. When you go to the hospital, no bed, no day for them lay down pan. Eh? But we not talk about these things. We not talk about, oh, them put on a little party and we go enjoy ourselves. And them care about stage show. You know, them care about what Vibes Cartel I do today. These are the things where the typical Jamaicans love. Hype and excitements. You serious? Nothing what to do with nothing uplifting. Not most, not all, you know, but most Jamaicans, not all, because there are some level-headed people where they depend on the bullshit. If them even vote for PNP or JLP, that's it. They're not busy about nothing more. But majority of people can't afford a pound of flour. And them I kill up themselves for Mark Golden and Andrew Holness. And then I ask them on them nothing. See all the house them with them a bill for how much millions. How much are who know? We are watch this now. Can afford one of them house there. Tell me. How much are who know? Can afford. I even think about if you own one of them house there. Eh? 99% of you can't afford that. Only 1%. And the 1% nah go on illiterate like most Jamaicans.
You don't see me a blood clot record. I'm a shooter right. You don't see me a blood. You don't see me a record. I lick out your blood.
Yo, it's crazy, yo. It's crazy.
Come out. Run out. Run out. Run out. Go. Go.
And the more I see them thing, the more I say, John, no. Boy, I don't know, brother. But again, boy, God help those who help themselves. And the more people talk about them thing, the more them say, boy, you know, like Andrew Holness, or you know, like Mark Golden. To hell with that. PNP or JLP, my mother still a fear by water today.
Kiss me rascal, me I tell you wickedness can't done.
My woman, my pitney them. If me no buy water, them can't cook, them can't bathe. I'm not ashamed to say that. See him? So, what the hell me you kill up myself? Or my family you kill up themselves over Mark Golden or Andrew Holness or PNP and JP? Why? I'm me have to buy water same way. Eh? The road bad same way. The light them bad same way. Hospital warm bed same way. When you go in at the grocery shop, how much money you pay for your grocery? Inflation upon everything. But the typical Jamaican do not care about that. Hype and excitement. Give me that and that they want. What the next stage show a keep? Who for man a give? Who for man breed for woman? Who get visa? Eh? When next party a keep? What the latest trend? Them want this bag, them want that bag, them want these shoes, them want that slippers. Hype and excitement.
Yes, so you mean to tell me, say, no real soul no there Jamaica no more. We not no real soul, no real people. All of the real original Jamaican them dead out. I want to know if all of the real original Jamaican people them dead out. I want to know if nothing else not dead if we fight for in a Jamaica no more. I want to know if Jamaica officially become the plantation where them did want Jamaica to be all along. I want to know if the maroon them were used to fight for us and fight with us no exist no more. I want to know if we not going to see no real politician stand up and really say enough is enough on behalf of the real suffering people in Jamaica. I want to know if nobody at all in the entertainment industry now remember what the music and the message of the music was supposed to be about. I wonder if we not have no empathy. I wonder if we not have no soul. I wonder if we not fear God no more. Jamaican people, I know them use the food, I know them use the vaccine, I know them use monopoly, I know them use manipulation, I know them use one whole heap of tactics against the minds of the people of Jamaica. But no one not there if even remind us of who we used to be as a people. What really are going on the rock? Are we going to continue to ignore the almighty creator Jamaican people? The judgment nah go normal a open no know in a star. Yeah man, we just there still go and observe because you don't know more time that's all you can do. But who know the truth if you go just stand up and defend it and now call them up a time no left. No whole heap of time no left.
And if them mother or them granny want a false teeth, them say them can't bite. Eh? Why not ask Andrew Holness and Mark Golden what is the healthcare facility doing to make sure that Jamaicans get the proper and adequate healthcare service what them need? But they not ask that. They ask about the next stage show. Where next party I keep? Why not ask Andrew Holness and Mark Golden when you go in the grocery shop and take up 2 little something at 25,000 you come to? Why? Why not ask Mark Golden and Andrew Holness when school fee for pay is too expensive? Who not do for you poor? No, nobody not ask that. Oh man, that boring. A nerd thing that. Where next party you keep? Where next stage show you keep? When next rally, when next PNP or JP conference, that more I hear about. Hype and excitement more I hear about. We don't want to hear about no inflation. We don't want to hear about no tax, no GCT. We don't want to hear about no Pitnyaga school. We don't want to hear about no healthcare facility. I don't care about none of that. Where next party you keep? That more I hear about. Party me I talk about. Where next conference? Where next rally? You know, it's a wicked set of people. Remember me telling you that. I'm a Jamaican, I'm not afraid to say that. I'm going to say all, majority of Jamaican. Remember me telling you that. Hype and excitement. Nothing we to do with nothing. Uplifting. Most I wouldn't know the part. Hype and excitement. Done. Gone, me gone. Work me gone. Big up every 9 to 5 worker. And big up all of the hard working Jamaican them we have sense. Do not follow behind entertainers and politics that now bring none away. No way. Big up on yourself. Enough love and enough respect. Big Voice Radio in the building. You go to work. Big up on yourself.
So we are in a new phase of Catherine Estates. Catherine Estates, when it is fully built out, will have over 1,000 housing solutions here. As you can see, this is a new greenfield. We put in roads, driveway, all the infrastructure necessary for a community. When this project hit the market first, the initial price was somewhere in the region of about $4.5 million. Of course, that price could not hold. Subsequent to that, we had the disruption of the pandemic, which interrupted supply chains and created significant inflation, particularly inflation in construction costs. And so now these units are going for somewhere in the region of about $7.5 million and above. These are starter units, and they are starter studio units, but they have good land space around them. As you can see, they come with pre-designed and pre-approved building plans. The owners will have 2 or 3 options to work with, and the cost for the approval has been waived by the municipality. So we've done all that we can to keep the prices down. These are probably the most affordable homes on the market today. Now, as you can see, we have built to very high standards, certainly in terms of having drainage and ensuring that the roadways are properly done. So we are expecting that this housing estate will have significant value retained. Now we understand very well that the number of houses that are required to satisfy the housing market, we are nowhere near there as yet. The estimate is that there is over 100,000 units needed to bring the housing market into some kind of equilibrium. Generally, at the middle upper income, there is sufficient supply of housing. Where there is a real problem is at the lower income, affordable and achievable housing. And for that to be addressed in any significant way, government has to subsidize. And the way in which government subsidize has to be very carefully considered, because that could deplete government's capacity and deplete resources. So we have been doing the kind of support for housing in very strategic ways. We support the financing through very good terms for mortgages under the NHD. A low-income person is entitled to a 0% interest loan, for example. We have increased the value of the loan that a beneficiary of the NHD can get. We have increased the number of persons who can join together to purchase a home. We have created an intergenerational mortgage and many other ways to bring affordability to housing. But what we have been doing in recent times is to provide land. And that has been the greatest challenge, to find affordable land, land that is easy to build on, and land that is in close proximity to townships and urban centers. That is a real challenge, but we are making headway there. We have asked the NLA to search its database for lands, and we are coming up with lands that are feasible for housing. And in my budget presentation, which is upcoming, you will hear of some of the other projects that the NHD and the HHA will be announcing. This scheme is a collaboration between the HHA, the NHD and China Harbour, bringing housing in the low-income, affordable and achievable housing segment of the market.
Hungry, 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 hungry days again.
Hungry days again.
Jamaica is one of the most famous islands in the Caribbean, known for its reggae music, delicious cuisine, and laid-back culture. The island is home to some of the most beautiful beaches in the world.